Hey there YouTube, welcome to Big Mike Beard Wisdom. So, we're back in the Astra. The check engine light's back on. And it's been a few miles and a couple trips. But it like just came back on. So we're gonna check this code real fast. So the P2096 code came back. But that's the only code that's present. So I would say more than likely we probably fixed the other part. So the like the mass airflow code and was it a cat code or something like that? So more than likely those two are fixed. The thing that I'm kind of curious now though is that whether or not this is going to be related to the exhaust. So you can kind of hear that rattly noise. So the exhaust is rattly somewhere, which normally gives me a rough idea of the state of the exhaust without actually getting the car up in the air to look at it. So more than likely there's something that's rusted, that's separated. And then if I rev it up just a little bit, that bit of a burble noise, the louder exhaust note, seems to be coming almost down under the footwell area. So it makes me wonder if there isn't like a hole or a crack or like something like that in the exhaust back there. It doesn't sound like it's coming back of the vehicle by the muffler. So later on we'll probably get it jacked up in the air, but on the bright side, the other codes aren't back. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this quick update video. I'll check you guys next time.